you want to achieve better fastening, use two steel braces overlapping. If you can't unscrew the screw due to a broken thread, just insert it like a drill into a screwdriver and press the reverse. During measurements, the tape measure can also be used as a ruler to cut the plastic pipe smoothly. Just rub it with a yoke and draw a line, and even cut is ready. Steel staples are ideal for attaching a steel chain to a wooden surface. If you pre-drive a steel dowel into the beam, the fastening on the screw will be much more reliable. To get an even cut when working with a grinder, place a triangle behind it. It will not allow the saw to come off a straight line. So we heated the blade of the knife, and just look what it does with plastic. It's just like cutting through butter. If the hole is too big for the screw, just pour the resin inside. The screw will easily enter it, and after solidification, it will come out just as easily. To combine two curved plates, you just need to take a couple of measurements, for which you will need a regular sheet of paper. Repeat everything after me. And when all the lines are ready, just leave the part as a stencil. Cut off the excess, and they converge. An additional attachment in the form of a couple of nails is useful. Now I'll show you how to firmly fasten two wooden bars into a corner. We'll make these cubes from a bar and give them the desired shape. After that, we cover the boards with tape and glue our bars on it. We smear the joint with glue and fasten it. Then, without the help of a press and bars, we fix it firmly until it hardens. Finally, we can get rid of the press and bars, and the corner is now securely fastened. Tense break from screws. We will lay out several boards on two wooden slats. We'll make several holes relying on the accuracy of the ruler. Screw the screws in there, and then it's easier. Now, starting from the screws, we'll make the following holes and screw the screws in there. We do it again and again and again. Look at the perfectly smooth mounting line. Now, I'll clearly show why it's necessary to putty only a dry, cleaned surface. I moistened the first block with water, left the second as a control. We covered the third with dust. I apply putty and wait for it to solidify. The putty is still removed from the first block effortlessly. It turned out to be many times more difficult to tear it off on a clean piece, but there's nothing to say about the contaminated area. If you just wind the thread on the nail in several layers, it's very easy to pull off from it. But if you use such a life hack, then after putting the thread on the nail, it's impossible to tear it off, but it's still very easy to untie. Let's take two wooden bars and steel loop like this. We'll fasten them with a loop, and then we'll take a steel plate with holes and give it this shape. Attach it to one bar with screws and to the second with a bolt with cap, having previously lubricated the hole. Great! Now the bars have adjustable mobility. It remains to attach a wooden plug to them. Now, when working on the machine, it'll be possible to cut the bars at any desired angle. Just look at the results. Smooth cut at exactly right angle.